The driver of the U-Haul was suspected of robbing a Forsyth County Walmart and led police on a chase in a U-Haul, all caught on police dash cam and body-worn cameras.
Hard drive.
The driver of the U-Haul can be seen trying to run the officer off of the road. Deputies were able to lay down spike strips, which deflated the U-Haul's tires, that caused the front passenger tire to shred to pieces as the chase continued. The suspect can be seen swerving through traffic in the attempt to elude the police and losing control a few times during the chase. When the truck came to a stop in front of a Bojangles, the suspect ran as several police cars arrived on scene. Deputies chased after him on foot for a short period of time and appeared to use a taser on him before taking him into custody. The suspect has been charged with multiple charges, including theft by shoplifting, drugs charges, DUI, obstruction, and driving on a suspended license. He was taken to Fori County Jail. His bond has been set for nearly $40,000.